Your prompt has 50,000 tokens of context. You think the model reads all of it. It doesn't. Most LLMs only really pay attention to the first and last few thousand tokens. Everything in the middle? Mostly ignored. Here's why, and the prompt structure that actually fixes it. This is called the lost in the middle problem. Stanford published a paper on it back in 2023. They tested Claude, GPT-4, and others on retrieval tasks where the answer was placed at different positions in a long context. Accuracy when the answer was at the start, high. At the end, also high. In the middle, it dropped by up to 30%. Same model. Same prompt. Just different position. Why does this happen? Because of how transformer attention works. Each token attends to other tokens with weights that get normalized via softmax. Position embeddings add bias. The result, tokens at the edges of the context get disproportionately more attention than tokens in the middle. The model has the information. It just isn't looking at it. Here's the workaround. Restructure your prompt so critical information is at the start and the end, never just in the middle. 2 practical patterns. Pattern 1. Bookend prompts. Put the most important constraint or instruction in the system prompt, then repeat a condensed version right at the end of the user message. The model attends to both ends, so the instruction gets double coverage. Pattern 2. Aggressive ranking. If you're stuffing retrieved documents into context for RAG, sort them by relevance. Put the highest relevance chunk first. Put the second highest last. Low relevance chunks go in the middle, where they would be ignored anyway. This single change can recover most of the lost accuracy. Why does this even work? 2 reasons. 1. Position embeddings in most transformer architectures give tokens at the boundaries slightly different attention distributions. Edge tokens get more attention from a wider range of other tokens. 2. The softmax in attention concentrates probability mass. With long contexts, attention naturally pools at the ends because the relative position signal is strongest there. You're not fighting the architecture. You're using it. 1 workaround. Dozens more on this channel, 2 videos a day. AI News Decoded. See through the hype. Subscribe.